If you want to apply here in 51 Talk, might as well know the application process first para naman alam mo kung anong gagawin sunod-sunod for you to be able to complete the process as soon as possible para naman makapag-start teaching ka na. Here are the step-by-step process in your application here in 51 Talk. Pinakaunang gagawin talaga is that you need to click my referral link. That's the first step for you to begin your application. So sa mga caption ko, makikita nyo doon, apply here, tapos may naka-indicate na link. So you need to click that one. After clicking my link, eto na yung susunod mong gagawin. You need to fill in the form. So lahat ng mga hinihingi information, you need to provide that one. After you submit that one, you will be scheduled for an interview. So ikaw yung bahalang mag-choose kung ano yung preferred mo na date and time. Napakadali lang ng interview, guys. Just be confident, smile a lot. After you pass the interview, you will now attend the PSO or the pre-service orientation for you to learn about 51 Talks policies and teaching guidelines. The next step will be the technical check. You will undergo this process to make sure your equipment and internet are ready. Sobrang bilis lang talaga ng technical check, guys. Kung pasado na lahat yung mga equipment mo, walang problema. You can now proceed to the NTT or the new teachers training. You only need to complete the teachers training to sharpen your teaching skills. So, di ba, nag-undergo ka ng teachers training. So, of course, malelearn mo lahat doon kung paano i-conduct yung klase sa mismong classroom. Kasi ang next step na natin ngayon is yung SIA demo or the Chinese evaluator na yung mag-i-evaluate sa'yo sa demo na gagawin mo. So, dito mo na isa-showcase lahat ng mga natutunan mo sa training and then do your best in the demo, guys, kasi napakalaking impact niyan. Ang rate mo ngayon is naka-base na sa results sa demo mo. So, dapat gagawin mo talaga ang best mo for you to get that high score para naman mataas na yung rate mo. And then, if you luckily pass the SIA demo, then that's it. Mag-onboarding ka na, and then after that is launching na, and you will now start teaching here in 51 Talk. So, ganun lang talaga kadali yung hiring process here sa 51 Talk, and then kayang-kaya nyo yung kumpletuhin ng 3 days. Minsan hindi pa umaabot ng 3 days yung iba kapag sunod-sunod mo talagang gagawin yung process. Good news, guys! If ngayon kayo mag-a-apply, it's already summer vacation and marami na talagang mga students. So, ayan, try nyo dito sa 51 Talk.